Alright, here is our example 2b. Okay, again, like what I did earlier, this is a repeat of the one that we just did. Okay, and I'm just going to do this in a shorter method. Alright, okay, again, to do the shorter method, try to space out your symbols. Okay, do not put them very close to each other. We can have a whole bunch of T's and F's directly underneath the letters and symbols. Okay, so let's start here. Okay, unlike our previous case where we start off with our leftmost column, here we're going to look for where is so-called the most basic column, and that here is P. Remember P, we start off with T, T, F, F. Okay, now we don't have Q here. We only have not Q. Okay, but it's a negation of Q, so we are going to automatically just reverse what was supposed to be for Q, so it's going to be F, T, F, T. Okay, we did something similar to this in example 1b. Okay, and then we are going to now look at this disjunction of just these two columns. Okay, remember disjunction, 1T will give you T, 2F will give you F. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm basically looking at these two columns to produce that one. Alright. Okay, and then I have not P. Now, remember, not P is a complete reversal of TTFF. So it's going to be FFTT. Okay, and now ready finally for my answer, which is going to be in this column right here. And to get that, I'm going to look at these two columns. Alright, everyone can follow these arrows, I hope. Alright, so, and of course using the rule for conjunction. So FT is F. Remember, 1F automatically gives you F. I don't really even need to look at what's going to be in this column. No, but when if I have T, I do have to look at see if I have T. I don't. So TF produces F. And finally the last one, T gives me the T. Okay, and as I mentioned in previous example, make sure you highlight your answer column. Okay, again, that is not necessary if you are doing this longer route. Alright, okay, so again we came out with the same result, just doing two different approaches. Okay, that's it for this.